Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Before this video begins, I just want to say the merch is now live. It's actually live. You guys can purchase it on www.boostbunker.com. The link will be in the description. If you feel like supporting me, if you like what I do and you want to see me keep doing it, please pick something up at boostbunker.com. It's all really quality, it's all really cool, and I really appreciate anything that you guys feel like picking up from there. Go quickly, go check it out. I have very small quantities. Go get yourself something cool, get someone else something cool. That's really all I have to say. So let's get to today's video, and thank you very much. All right, dudes, so this brings us to the Civic. The last you saw of it, it was broken. You didn't even see it broken. It's just broken. Well, here it is. It's broken. It's got a really bad lifter tick again, and there's oil in all four of the spark plug wells. Check this out. I don't know if you can see down in there. Probably not, but there is oil all in there. Fortunately, I have these nice like oil pads, so I'm gonna cut them up and just jam them down in there and try to suck up as much as I can with these. They're fairly absorbent. And then I'll take out the spark plugs and I will figure out why this happened. So none of those were really tight. That's probably why I had oil in my spark plug wells, which is kind of annoying because they were tight when I put them on, which is weird. Unless I'm just dumb and did something stupid, I don't know. Also, side note, I bought these gloves from Menards. Don't buy them, they're absolute trash. These, they rip so easily. Buy the ones from Harbor Freight, they're actually good. Ah, hell. Well, there goes 30 bucks. So annoying. I swear this is designed to rip. Oh my god. I got the majority of the gasket material out. There is still some Honda bond that I have to scrape off. But now it's basically time to do another valve adjustment and then try to put this thing back together and kind of just investigate a few more things. I am gonna have to go pick up a new gasket though, which really sucks. You know, when you're spending $30 on valve cover gaskets every single time you have to take the valve cover off, it's freaking annoying, especially when you're doing 5 freaking valve adjustments. So now, as you just saw, I'm pulling all the spark plugs. I have to clean them off because, as I said, they're coated in oil because there's oil in all the spark plug wells. So I'm taking them all out so that I can clean them, and then I'll probably start doing the valve adjustment right after that. Oh yeah, dude. Literally dog hair on it, what the hell? So much oil on this thing. All right, I'm at the stage where I'm gonna have to do this valve adjustment right now. So I'm gonna do this valve adjustment. I'm gonna time lapse the entire thing because it's boring and I've done it a bunch of times and it sucks. If you guys wanna see a video where I actually do the valve adjustment in detail, I'll put the link in the description. If you're looking for a really good tutorial on how to do a valve adjustment, Eric the car guy has a good one. I'll put that in the description as well. I'm really not looking forward to this. I'm kind of procrastinating. I'm heading out to 1.6 to pick up a new gasket for the valve cover, and then the Civic's pretty much ready to go. I cleaned all the spark plugs. I should have put them back in just now, but I didn't. I'll put them in when I get home. They're all gapped and everything ready to go. And then we should be good to start the car. I'll have to just put the valve cover back on. All right, we're back, and I got the actual Honda OEM parts this time. I got an OEM gasket, and you know what? You know what the coolest thing is? Hold on, bring it in. I was told that those crappy Felpro ones that you buy at Napa and stuff, and this is true, I've actually experienced this, but I thought it was common with all of these valve cover gaskets. But those Felpro ones, when they heat up, they stretch when you take them off. So if you take the valve cover off, it breaks, you gotta find a new gasket, it also won't fit back on. This one, obviously they say you're supposed to replace it every time, but Mark from 1.6 Motorsports swore to me that he has been using the exact same gasket on his Integra for 8 years. He's raced that car over 130 times, he says. He doesn't recommend using any Honda bond on it. Literally just slap this baby on the valve cover, slap these babies in, slap the valve cover on. Nothing else. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the old shit that's on there, all the old Honda bond, clean it off, and then just throw this valve cover on. I'm not even gonna clean the valve cover, there's oil all over it. I'm not even gonna clean it right now because I just want this car to run. I just wanna drive it, so. forgot this last time. I forgot that I had the ratchet on the crank pulley. And I tried to start the car in the last video and it made it bad. It was bad. Sounds good to me. I just located a fat coolant leak. It's actually something super simple. There's just like a little nipple like underneath the distributor, and there's a rubber cap on it capping it off, and the cap was broken. So I need to figure out a way to cap that off. I think I have one, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna look. Ow, Jesus. I just fixed it. I just went to the store and I bought the part. I just put it in. I know that's probably a weird transition. Like I was probably just sitting here and then like now I'm like sitting here again. But yeah, it's good now. I just have to plug in my computer and lower the rev limit and then we're set. So I'm gonna just start it up, let it warm up. I'll get my computer, fix the rev limit, and then we'll take it out for a drive. It is getting a little bit dark though, so it's gonna be hard to film, but we'll see. All right, so it is getting dark out like I said, but I just updated the tune, so we're good. I set it to 7,400 RPM. We should be good to go. But I'm not gonna rip it. I'm not gonna rip it. I won't do what I did this last time. I'm just gonna drive around normal. So far, I'm just down the street from my house a little bit here, and there's definitely a lot of smoke coming out of the exhaust. It smells kind of like a snowmobile, so I assume it's oil that's burning, not coolant. It's not like a sweet smell. It's like a snowmobile smell, which if you guys don't know, snowmobiles burn oil, so yeah, that's definitely interesting. I'm thinking my turbo might be shot or something, I'm not sure. But we're gonna definitely take this thing around the block a little bit and see how she does. Sounds pretty good otherwise. Feels good, feels good. We're gonna see, I'm gonna drive it around for a while tonight and just see how it does. Holy moly, dudes. This is the mother load of sunsets. God, hold on, I gotta shoot it manual so you guys can see. Oh, turn the ISO up, turn the ISO up. Oh, that's pretty much how it looks for me right now. That is so sick. So guys, that's it. The Civic runs. It drives, it's good. The lifter tick did not come back for the entire night. It has not come back to this day. This is a couple days, maybe even a week after I filmed this video. The only thing I was really noticing is a lot of smoke coming out of the exhaust, specifically blue smoke, which means that it's consuming fuel, which means that it's consuming oil, which is not good. I need to do a couple things to fix that. Now, I'm in the process of trying to figure it out, but I do have a plan, and I have a very good plan, and I'm gonna commit to that plan, and I'm gonna execute that plan, and I swear to you guys, I'm gonna attain my goals on this one. It's gonna be so cool. I already have it all ready, it's all in the works, and that'll be in the next video. So stay tuned for that. I'm telling you guys right now, the next one is a very, very exciting and crazy video. I'm not even lying. I'm not even just trying to hype it up right now. The next video is pretty crazy. So thank you guys for watching. And as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. And buy my merch. Buy my merch, please. All right, bye.